Hey everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you all my skincare routine. Trust me guys, it is very important to properly cleanse your face before applying any skincare products. So apply the face wash all over your face and neck. Then massage in gentle circular motion starting from your forehead, your eyes, nose, cheeks. I prefer using my knuckles on my lower face, and this is particularly useful if you have long nails. Don't forget your jawline and neck area, and that's it. Wash it off and pat dry your face. Now the skin is ready to welcome and absorb skincare products. So spray an alcohol-free toner and wait for a minute or two. You might as well apply rose water with cotton instead. Using a serum is completely optional but recommended. It penetrates deep in our skin and promotes collagen production, leading to younger and healthier skin. It also helps us to get rid of any dark spots or acne marks as it facilitates new skin cells production. So massage it well all over your face, your neck, and the area around your ears. Lock it in with a moisturizer. Be generous with it. Get yourself one that is weightless, gets absorbed in your skin, and feels rich. Honestly, this is my favorite product. I feel the softness in texture instantly after applying this. If you do your skincare with patience and a calm mind, it really feels like a therapy. Skincare ain't complicated. We need to use these same products to prep our skin for makeup, post we remove our makeup, or simply for daily skincare. You can skip your sunblock if it is night, but don't forget to use one if it is a day. Go for a non-greasy, non-comedogenic one having a good SPF. Always apply the pressure while massaging your face in the upwards direction. So, we did CTHMS, that is cleanse, tone, heal, moisturize and sunblock. Choose the products according to your skin type, and that's pretty much it. By the way, all these products are gender neutral, so guys can use it too. I finish off with applying Vaseline on my lips. The cocoa butter variant is my favorite, and I also apply an under eye cream for dark circles. I promise this is the last product. I am using my ring finger to massage it since this area is very sensitive. Try with your index finger versus your ring finger and you'll feel the difference. This is how my skin looks after applying all these products. Dewy, glowy and well nourished. Touch wood. So that's all for today. Bye. Take care. Do check out my other videos if you haven't already. And subscribe to my channel for more. Lots of love.